News, Project Loki, our cast reveal, and story confidence. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta. Again, abangan nyo ang Project Loki. Streaming very soon on Viva One and Signal Play. Watch out for more exciting announcements soon. And for only 949 pesos a year, magiging premium subscriber ka na at enjoyer sa ating Viva One shows. So enjoy it all year round. Kaya don't miss out. Subscribe to our one-year Viva plan. Thank you guys. My name is Boaz. Good guys, give it up one more time for Dylan! Dylan, guys! Thank you guys. Project Loki, streaming very soon on Signal Play and Viva One. Salamat po.